Want to instantly transform your Roblox avatar with awesome outfits? Let's dive right into how to redeem outfit codes in Catalog Avatar Creator. First, you'll need to launch Catalog Avatar Creator. Within Roblox, you can find it by searching for it in the Roblox game search bar. Once the game is loaded, take a look around the main screen. You'll want to find the codes button. It usually looks like a gift box or a treasure chest. Keep your eyes peeled for it on the left side of the screen. Click on the codes button and it'll pop open a text box. This is where the magic happens. Carefully type the outfit code into the text box. Make sure to double check for any capitalization errors or typos. These codes are case sensitive. After you've entered the code, click the redeem button. It should be right under the text box. If the code is valid, your avatar will be instantly dressed in the outfit that the code unlocks. You should also receive an on-screen notification confirming the redemption. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed your outfit code. Now you can rock your new style. Keep an eye out for new codes from the game developers to expand your wardrobe. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Roblox avatar tips and tricks.